Alright, so now it is time to do the face here. So I have my quad draw tool on, and I'm basically just going to do like we normally do. So I'm going to go halfway each way here, okay, like that. And then we'll go halfway, well, you know what, we can get away with doing it like this. Because it would be best if we could find a way to let's see, to basically, oop, there we go, boom, 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 boom. Alright, and so I'm going to go here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and bring this up like that. And let's see, we'll go like that, because there's kind of a brow shape there. And we'll do that, and this, oops, let's Control and Shift and click that to delete it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple here. Alright, so take this and pull that down. And let's see, would that be better? No, we'll go like this. Alright, and let's see. That works okay. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put this one here. Alright, and then we'll go like this. And I'll do this. Alright, like that. And this, boom, boom, boom. And I'm just going to go ahead and do some beak stuff here. And I am going to work on, oops, come on, yeah, like that. And then we'll put one here, because of, and there, like that. Just gonna put this over here for now. Here, let's see, boom, and oops, we'll put one here, and we'll go like that. There we go, and I'll put one here and here. It's gonna try and go all the way around the beak here, there and there, and here and here, and we'll put one on the end. Good. Here and here, and there. Alright, and let's see. Come on. That's not what I wanted. Give me what I want. There. And this one. And then I am not sure. Okay, we'll do that there. And then I'll hold Control, and we'll put one there. Okay, good. Not 100% what I wanted, but it gets it all the way around anyway. We're going to take this, and I'm going to try and make this the complement to that. Okay, like this. Don't. Come on, gotta get in closer. And come on, get in there. There. And there, and there. Good, and there. And need another one there, and there, and there. Good. And then I'm just going to go ahead and close this up all the way around. Beauteous. Alright, so I got that kind of going around. That looks, I'm going to tuck this in a little bit more, so it's more like this. Because I'm not going to have this thing open its mouth anyway, so I'm really not that concerned about it. We'll go like that, and put one here, put one, split it off here, and boom, boom, and oops, that's got a bit off center here, and there. And let's see, we can kind of go like this, and this, and I'm just gonna pull this here, boom, and we can probably put that there, put this one here, here. Let's see what we got in the back here. So let's see, and pull this this down. Boom. And boom. And boom. That looks fine. Okay, and this has got to get over here. Alright. And let's see. So, there, and we'll put one here. And like that. Like that. And there. Oops. Control Z. Okay, so I got one more up there than what I want. So I'm going to take this guy and we'll just snap it over there. Take this one, snap it here, pull this over. And then I just need to find a place to put that one. So, let's see. Let's use my multi-cut tool. Here to here to here. To here to here. And let's see. And we'll go one more, and then here, 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 and I guess we'll just do it like that for right now. Take this and divert it to here. Okay, that looks okay. And then here to here, and I'm going to delete this edge. And then I'm going to cut here to here, actually to here, and we'll just go around this way to finish this off, like that, and then I will just delete this edge here, and there we go, more or less quads. That all looks fine and dandy. Going to use my multi-cut tool and add a couple of, that's weird. Okay. Good. Now I'm going to go back to my quad draw tool, and I'm just going to hold shift and just try to relax some of this a little bit. Because, oops, I got to delete this one. Alright. Back to my quad draw. Oops, keep doing that. Hold shift to relax. And I'm just going to try and get this to be a little bit nicer as much as I can. Okay. And I'm going to call that adequate. Now what I'm going to do is just go to face mode. Go all the way around, which that was not what I was hoping for. It's kind of weird. Okay, so I'm going to go to the front view here. And I'll delete this half. Oh, that's why, because I'm on Object X. So let's turn off the Object X, and we will hold shift, double click, it'll grab that edge loop, and I'll just double click this half. Okay, delete that, okay, so now I have half. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this edge, go to the front, scale it flat a couple of times, W, hold the X for grid snap, and make sure that it snapped to the center. I'm just going to take this and Control D, and in my channel box type in -1, select both halves, mesh combine, then I'm going to go back to my front here, go to vertex, I'm going to select all these center, make sure I don't select anything extra, holding Control, did I click on, that was weird, clicked on something I didn't want to, Alright, make sure I have only the center ones, and then I'm just going to scale this flat again, and it looks a little bit off, so let me check over here, and let's see, oh, there we go, see I have a couple of these metal ones selected, get rid of those, and this one, and that one, make sure I only have center ones selected, gloriousness. Alright, I'm going to hit merge, and that will merge those. And now if I'm going to go ahead in this view and hit shift I, I'm going to take shading X-ray off. I'm going to hit 3 to make sure that indeed, okay, so I'm looking at it and that looks okay. The only problem is, and I kept this relatively low poly obviously, is this eye needs to be filled. So I can actually keep it in object mode, that's actually fine. and I'm just going to go mesh, fill hole. It's automatically going to find the hole and fill it. And I'm just going to look at this and see if I need anything extra. Probably a couple more edges in here would probably be fine. So I'm going to use my multi-cut tool and just add some in here. So I'm going to double click this edge loop, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Mesh Tools, Slide Edge. Middle mouse button, click and drag. Take this one and slide that one up. Double click this one, middle mouse button, take this one, move it down a little. Move this one up a little, move this one back a little, just to try and spread it out, okay? So it looks like it's a little bit heavy on the back end, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now. All right, so there we go. So now we have that. That looks good. Just going to Control-Shift-S and save this. And I'm just going to set this to the same project as my previous one here. So what is it? That was not it. Thank you. There it is. And Maya. Set it to that. And then I will hit save. And we are just going to call this the RIA_V01. Beauteous. Now I'm going to select it, and we're just going to quickly, this is the easiest way to do it, is I'm just going to go Window, UV, and just do automatic. And they'll auto UV it. So now we have our low poly version of our character. So I'm just going to take this, save it again real quick. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to export this. So File, Export Selection. I'm just going to go right to the we'll go right to the desktop, and I'm just going to call it RIA. We're going to do it as an OBJ, and I'm just going to call it High Poly. And actually, before I do that, I'm going to select it, and we're going to go to Mesh Display, Soften Edge. I need the edges to be soft before I do this. Now, File, Export Selection. Export Selection, and it's going to be, come on, RIA High Poly. Okay, and we export it there, and then we're going to bring it into our other X normal, and we will bake the maps onto this.